in this instance, there is no insulation or foam in the cavity at all. In this particular scenario, we will begin by applying some foam to the hose. Remove the quick connector for better access and apply the Hisense supplied EPDM foam onto the base of the hose. Begin at a tight application and go outwards to allow for a good seal. If the foam's a bit loose, it can be tightened with a cable tie, but the adhesive on the foam should stick properly. Once the foam is applied, we'll continue with application of silicone, or again with very high fluidity. Begin by applying underneath the hose and letting it flow in, and doing the same on top, letting the silicone settle. Again, it is recommended to let the silicone cure and dry over around 24 hours. But once the silicone dries, the seal should be perfect and no air should flow into the fridge room. We now can apply the connector back on both sides and insert the ring back, and that should resolve the problem.
Okay.
All good. Good.